Hello all, welcome to the lecture number 2 of unit number 4. In previous lecture we have seen some basic definition of power series, Frobenius series, ordinary point, singular point, and in previous unit we have studied how to find out the solution of a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. But we need this power series solution only if the differential equation is in terms of variable coefficient. So if the differential equation p0x d2y by dx square plus p1x dy by dx plus p2x into y is equal to 0, where this p0x, p1x and p2x are coefficient which are in terms of variables, or you can call it as a polynomials, then if the differential equation is with variable coefficient, then we have to use power series solution. Now what is power series solution? Here we have 2 points. Power series solution we get at ordinary point as well as at singular point. So if we find out power series solution at singular point, then it is a extension of power series called as Frobenius method. And if we find out solution at ordinary point, then we are going to find out solution by using power series method. Now first example is find the series solution of. Today we are going to see examples only on ordinary point at x is equal to 0. So in all examples we are going to consider ordinary point x is equal to 0. Now when this become ordinary point, if p0 of x is equal to p0 of 0 is not equal to 0, that is this coefficient of this d2y by dx square is not equal to 0, then that point is called as ordinary point. So first we see first example, find the series solution of d2y by dx square plus x square into y is equal to 0. Now first we assume the solution. First step of solution is assume the solution as y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k. We are going to assume this solution, and finally we get solution by substituting y d2y by dx square. So it can be written as, if k is equal to 0, it is a0 x to the power 0 is 1 plus a1 x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube plus a4 x to the power 4 plus a5 x to the power 5 plus and so on. So this is the power series which we are going to assume it as a solution. Now if we know y, we can find out d2y by dx square. So differentiate this with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx, first we are going to find out derivative of this term. So dy by dx, derivative of a0 is 0, derivative of a1x is a1. So it start from x is equal to x to the power 1. X to the power 1 means it start from k is equal to 1 to infinity. So this series start from summation start from k is equal to 1 to infinity. K derivative of x to the power k is k, ak as it is, x to the power k derivative is x to the power k minus 1. Is it clear? See, derivative of a0 is 0. So term derivative of a1x is a1. So it start from a1. a1 means k is equal to 1 to infinity. So it start from k is equal to 1 to infinity. But what we want? We want d2y by dx square. So d2y by dx square is equal to summation. Now this dy by dx start from 1. If we find out its double derivative, a1 becomes 0, then it start from a2. So summation will start from k is equal to 2 to infinity. Already first derivative we have, which is k. What is derivative of x to the power k minus 1? It is k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2, and ak remain as it is. So substituting these values in this given equation, given differential equation. So d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square plus x square multiplied by y is equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. Substituting value here, it is summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 multiplied by ak x to the power k minus 2 plus x square multiplied by y. Y is k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k, and it is equal to 0. So this is summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2 plus multiply x square to this x to the power k, it becomes summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now if we observe it carefully, here power of x is x to the power k minus 2, and here power of x is x to the power k plus 2. So we cannot equate the terms. So first we are trying to convert this power x to the power k minus 2 and x to the power k plus 1 k plus 2 as same. So for that we are going to substitute here this x is replace this k by k plus 2. If we replace this k by k plus 2, then it become k plus 2 minus 2, which is k. X to the power k we will get. Instead of k, we can denote another, take another variable also. Let it be m plus 2. Then replace here k by k is equal to 0 to infinity. So to convert this x to the power k plus 2 as x to the power k, we substitute this k as k m minus 2. m minus 2. Replace this k by m minus 2. So m minus 2 plus 2, it become x to the power m. So substitute in above equation, it is summation k, in place of k we substitute m plus 2 is equal to 2 to infinity m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 2 minus 1. m plus 2 minus 1 a of m plus 2 x to the power m plus 2 minus 2 plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity, but here k is again m minus 2. So m minus 2 is equal to 0 to infinity a k, but it is a m minus 2 x to the power m minus 2 plus 2, it is equal to 0. Now simplify it further. This is equal to summation m is equal to 2, and here 2 get cancelled, remaining is m is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 2 as it is, m plus 2 minus 1 is m plus 1 am plus 2 x to the power m plus 2 minus 2 is x to the power m plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity am minus 2 x to the power m is equal to 0. Now both the powers are same, x to the power m, x to the power m. So but if we observe it, here summation start from m is equal to 2, and here summation start from m is equal to 0. So we have to convert this both the summation as same, so that we can combine this power. So here m is equal to 0 to infinity can be written as m is equal to 2 to infinity, but m is equal to 2 to infinity cannot be written in terms of m is equal to 0 to infinity, because we don't know its previous term. So we can write its previous term m is equal to, by substituting m is equal to 0, m is equal to 1, then m is equal to 2 to infinity. So substitute first m is equal to 0, m is equal to 1, m is equal to 0, then m is equal to 1. In first summation it become m is equal to 0, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, I am writing that step as it is so that it become easy to write down. So summation m is equal to 0 to m is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 am plus 2 multiplied by x to the power m. m plus 2 m plus 1 am plus 2 x to the power m plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity a m minus 2 x to the power m, it is equal to 0. So this is equal to, put m is equal to 0 first. M is equal to 0 means 0 plus 2 is 2 multiplied by 1, a2 into x to the power 0 is 1, plus m is equal to 1. So it is 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2, a 3 x plus. Next term can be written as m is equal to 2 to infinity as it is. We write in summation remaining terms m plus 2, m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 1, a m plus 2, x to the power m plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity am minus 2 x to the power m, and it is equal to 0. Now we got here terms 2 times a2 plus 6 times a3 into x plus, now both the summations start from 2, so we can combine it. M is equal to 2 to infinity m plus 2 am plus 1 am plus 2 plus am minus 2 multiplied by x to the power m, it is equal to 0. Now equate both the side, left hand side as well as right hand side, for coefficient of x. On right hand side it is 0, means it is 0 multiplied by x, 0 multiplied by x square, 0 multiplied by x to the power m. So equate coefficient 2a2, it is equal to 0. Then 6a3, it is equal to 0. And third term is m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 1 am plus 2 plus am minus 2, and this is also equal to 0. Now a2 we get 0, a3 is also 0, and this bracket can be written as am plus 2 is equal to minus of am minus 2 divided by m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 1. This is nothing but the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation is that relation from which we will get so many values. So here am plus 2, but this summation start from m is equal to 2, means we have to start substituting m value from 2, 3, 4 like that. So if we substitute m is equal to 2 here, in this equation we got a2 is equal to 0, then a3 is equal to 0, and we have am plus 2 is equal to minus of a of m minus 2 divided by m plus 2 into m plus 1. Now substitute here m is equal to 2, because summation start from 2. So m is equal to 2, it is a of 3, 2 plus 2, it is 4, is equal to minus of 2 minus 2, 0, a0 divided by 2 plus 2, 4 multiplied by 3. So a0 value is, what is a0 value? We don't know, so we keep it as it is, minus of a0 divided by 12. Then put m is equal to 3, next value, that is a5. a5 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 minus of a1. 3 minus 2 is a1 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4 is equal to minus of a1 divided by 20. Next value is m is equal to 4. Put m is equal to 4. A4 plus 2 is 6. Next value. That's why it is called as recurrence relation, because recurrently we will get next values 4, 5, 6, 7 in terms of previous values a0 and a1. So a6 is equal to 4 minus 2 is a2. Minus of a2 divided by 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 and 5. But what is the value of a2? a2 is 0. So this a6 become 0. Then put m is equal to 5. It become a7, which is equal to minus of a3. Minus of a3 divided by 7 multiplied by 6, which is again equal to 0, because a3 is also 0. So what is our series solution? Series solution is y is equal to y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x to the power 4 plus a5x to the power 5 plus a6, a7 and so on. So substituting here a6, a7 are 0. Next values we will get, but we cannot find out so many values here. So y is equal to a0 plus a1x. a1 also we don't know, so we keep it as it is a1x plus a2 value is 0, a3 value is 0, a4 value is minus of a0 by 12 multiplied by x to the power 4. Next value a5. a5 is minus of a1 divided by 20 x to the power 5 plus and so on. So this is equal to y is equal to a0 minus a0 divided by 12. So this is a0 plus a1 into x minus a0 x to the power 4 divided by 12 minus a1 x to the power 5 divided by 20 and so on. So combining a0 terms in one bracket and a1 terms in another bracket, so y become a0 outside in bracket 1 minus x to the power 4 by 12. This is an infinite series, so we will get so many values for in first bracket, as well as plus a1 times x minus x to the power 5 divided by 20 and so on. So this is the series solution for the given example. Thank you.